Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14. We are doing a cleaning video today. We've got to get a few things reset in the house, and first we're starting in my bedroom. I also started off by putting a load of laundry in. We've got a few loads of laundry we have to get done, and I'll just pile those on the bed throughout this video, and then we will get those folded at the end of the video. Now, yesterday I didn't get a video out. I didn't intentionally want to skip yesterday, but we were kid-free and we ended up doing some last-minute Christmas shopping, and it was just so nice to kind of soak in that time together. So I wasn't really focused on creating a video, but I wanted to show you all this morning. The kids were in the kitchen doing some artwork, and they brought me this artwork, and I'm just so amazed. We've got an elf, we've got Stitch, we've got a picture of me. That was the third one that I showed. It's a real image of me. One thing I'm really bad about is piling just random pieces of clothing on top of this dresser. I cannot stand when I do that, but I do. It just happens. And this is actually the only dresser that we have left in our bedroom. We took two of the other dressers and put them into our kids' rooms. This was like a 8-piece bedroom suit that we got when we got married, and I just don't really need all the dressers. We have a really nice walk-in closet that we put lots of storage in, and we just didn't need all the extra dressers, so we used those in other areas of the house. And I've also talked about this before, but I'm really wanting to paint this back wall behind my bed the sage green color. Not quite as dark as my bedspread, but I'll definitely get a different bedspread. I just haven't made the commitment yet. And then I was also talking about doing an accent wall on the wall behind my kitchen table, but I was going to do like a half wall, and I was going to get some of that beadboard and put it down and do that sage green as well. I'm going to match up my island, and my range hood is sage green. And I love the sage green. I don't think I'll ever get bored of it. Like, even my vanity right here is sage green. It's just my favorite. But I was going to do some beadboard in the kitchen against the back wall where the kitchen table is, and then like put a piece of trim up there. I don't know. Like, when I look at that wall, I know we just ended up doing white walls. But I did that because I wanted a clean slate, and I wanted to be able to do these projects as we go. So I'm thinking about getting the beadboard. I think they're like 20 bucks a piece per sheet, and doing that project probably after the new year. We'll see what happens. But also, I want to paint the wall behind my bed as well, because I feel like it just needs some type of accent in here. And I still haven't hung anything on the walls in the bedroom except for that little deer head, but that's it. Like, I have such a hard time. I don't know. I have things that I want to hang up. I don't know. So I've moved on to the master bath, and we're just giving a good wipe down in the bathroom on the sinks, the toilet, and the shower, cleaning up everything. And how much do you want to bet that now that I've cleaned up this sink right here, this is my husband's side, that he's going to come home and shave this evening? I don't know. He probably will, because I don't understand what it is about guys. They see a clean sink, they're like, oh, let me shave. In the bottom right of the video, you'll see there's like a bunch of pink stuff everywhere. I ended up dropping my blush compact this morning and it shattered everywhere and there was powder everywhere. So we had to get that cleaned up for sure. I'm getting my spare bathroom cleaned up and squared away, and then we're going to move over to one of the kids' rooms. Now, this looks a little scary. It does not always look like this, but he was playing and dumped out his tubs. The kids have been playing with magnet towels. We have been home for like 9 days straight almost, like from school. But they were all playing in here this morning, so we're just going to get everything organized and cleaned up and tidied in here. So at this point, I've probably been cleaning for like 3 hours. I don't even know. I've done a bunch of loads of laundry in between all of this and just threw everything onto the bed. So we're going to do the final thing in this video and just get all this laundry folded and put away. I've had to do a lot of stopping today. We've got to, I've got to make snacks. I've got to make lunches. I've got to do all kinds of stuff. We got to go play hide and seek, all kinds of stuff. So things take me a lot longer in general, just because I have children to tend to. So thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope this video helps motivate you, get some things cleaned up, and I cannot wait to see you guys again soon. Don't forget, if you are watching this video, to like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and I will see you guys again soon.